Hello students. Today we are going to continue the topic tense, past tense, its third form, that is past perfect tense. Up to past continuous tense we had already done in our previous video. So here we are starting the next one, that is past perfect tense. First you should know where to use this past perfect tense. If the actions may have already been completed, there we are using this past perfect tense. Okay, so its structure is subject plus had plus third form of the verb. Subject had plus third form of the verb. Okay, with any subject, first person, second person, third person, with all the subjects, had is used and third form of the verb is used in this past perfect tense. Okay, now the examples. If we are taking the subject she, okay, she had changed her plan. Okay, subject she had, verb third form, this is changed. Changed is the third form of change. Okay, change is the main verb. Its third form is, second form is changed and third is also changed. Okay, so she had changed her plan. So this is the example of past perfect tense. Okay, let us take another example. They had helped the poor. Okay, they had helped the poor. Okay, this is also one of the example. They is subject, had, helped. Helped is the third form of the verb help. Okay, so they had helped the poor. Okay, so past perfect tense, when we are using this past perfect tense, when the action may have already been completed. Okay, and the structure is subject, had, third form of the verb. Example is she had changed her plan. Another example, they had helped the poor. Okay, so remember, with all subjects here, the helping verb or we can call auxiliary verb had is used and with third form of the verb. Okay, now the next one is past perfect continuous tense. Okay, now the fourth one is past perfect continuous tense. Okay, its structure is subject, had, been, verb first form including ing form with ing form. Its structure is subject, had, been, verb first form with its ing form. Okay, now the example. Example is he had been learning for hours. Okay, he had been learning for hours. Means here subject is he, had, been, verb first form is learn. With ing form, it becomes learning for hours. Okay, for hours. For here we are using to show the time, but it is indefinite. Okay, it's not fixed for hours. That is why we are using here for. Okay, another example. We had been discussing this topic since morning. Okay, another example is we is the subject, had been, discuss is the first form of the verb, and with ing form it is discussing. Okay, we had been discussing this topic since morning. Time is definite here, that is why we are using here since. Okay, so we had been discussing this topic since morning. Okay, so here we have completed the past tense. 4 tenses are completed here, that is simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Okay, now our next tense is future tense. Okay, next is future tense. First is simple future. Simple future, okay, that we are using to show what we are going to do in the future. Okay, in a simpler way. Simple future, its structure is very simple, that is subject plus will plus first form of the verb. Okay, will here we are using, that is also an auxiliary verb that we are using to show the action that will happen in the future. Okay, so subject plus will plus first form of the verb. Example, they will perform on the stage. Okay, example is they will perform on the stage. They is subject here, will the helping verb that we are using in future, then verb first form. Perform is the first form of the verb on the stage. Okay, they will perform on the stage. Another example, she will complete her work on time. Okay, she will complete her work on time. This is also an example of simple future. She is the subject, will this helping verb in the future, and verb first form complete. Complete is the first form of the verb, main verb. Okay, her work on time. So these are the examples of simple future tense. Okay, its structure is subject plus will plus first form of the verb. Okay, now the second one is future continuous. Okay, future continuous. Okay, its structure is subject will be, verb first form with its ing form. Okay, Now the example that we have taken in the simple future is they will perform on the stage. So let us change the same sentence into future continuous. Okay, so the example will be they will be. Perform is the verb first form but with its ing form. Performing on the stage. Okay, they will be. Be is used here in future continuous. First form perform with ing form. It becomes performing on the stage. Okay, one more example is there, that is she will complete in the simple future. Here future continuous, she will be completing her work on time. Okay, she is the subject here, will be complete first form with its ing form, that is completing her work on time. Okay, so these are the examples of this future continuous tense. Okay, now that's all for today. Thank you.